Sustainable crocodile meat starts on controlled farms with full traceability.
Ethical stunning ensures rapid, humane processing.
Every batch is documented for welfare and regulatory compliance. From regulated farms to fine dining.
Dual-purpose harvest, high-value skin and food-grade meat.
Dual-purpose harvest, high-value skin and food-grade meat.
Prime cuts like tail meat are prioritized for tenderness.
Evisceration separates edible portions efficiently.
Deboning yields lean, premium crocodile fillets.
Blast chilling locks in freshness immediately.
Thorough rinsing ensures zero impurities.
Marinating infuses exotic, balanced flavors.
Draining prepares for precise portioning. Precision slicing creates consistent portions. Multi-layer quality checks guarantee excellence. Final metal detection for absolute safety. Exact portioning ensures uniformity. Cold chain integrity maintained at every stee. Full traceability from farm to table. Vacuum sealing preserves peak freshness. Optimized cold storage holds product ready. Refrigerated logistics deliver globally.
From factory to elite kitchens worldwide.
Tender, low-fat meat elevates fine dining.
From factory to elite kitchens worldwide. Exotic, nutritious delicacy, presented luxuriously.
Versatile for Asian and global cuisines.
Naturally high protein, low fat, exotic meat.
Automation ensures speed and sterility. Integrated industrial flow from intake to pack.
Tail prized as the most tender cut.
Zero waste approach maximizes value. Controlled temperatures protect quality.
Human expertise complements robotics.
Global reach for this rare protein. Export-ready premium crocodile meat.
Mild, chicken-like, with exotic depth.
Diners experience unique taste.
Featured in gourmet restaurants worldwide.
The unseen process of exotic luxury meat. Modern engineering meets exotic tradition.
Sustainable, regulated premium protein. Precision and safety at every step. Freshness sealed for the journey. Complete cycle from farm to plate.
Culinary artistry with crocodile meat.
Every stage with F meticulously engineered. Hygiene, precision, luxury, redefined. Every stage meticulously engineered. Discover the taste of premium crocodile. Where exotic protein meets modern mastery. A journey of innovation and quality. The hidden world revealed. Prepared for continuous production. Subscribe for more factory revelations.